So today I'm gonna make our first pre-made meal in the freeze dryer. We've kind of been leveling this up. We started with the easy stuff and we're getting bigger and bigger. So last night we pulled out chicken, boiled sliced chicken. That was awesome. It did take a long time to do. It took about a day, but the chicken was pretty wet and it was big pieces. So I'm kind of expecting this to take about a day just because it is saucy. But what I've got here is I got 3 trays of chicken burrito filling. So what I did was I did the chicken breast in the crock pot with enchilada sauce and cooked that overnight, and then we shredded it. And last night we had it, we used the chicken for burritos and TCTs, cheese tortillas, things like that, tacos, street tacos, whatever people wanted to make with it. And then we took the leftovers, we added the chicken, the rice, and the beans, and the leftover sauce and mixed it all together. So now it is chicken burrito filling. So we're gonna freeze dry. We got 4 trays of that. We're gonna freeze dry, so that'll be an actual freeze dried meal. You can just add water to, mix it up and put it inside a tortilla shell. This last one is lasagna stew. And again, that was one that I made a few days ago, and I didn't have my freeze dryer available to do that, but I probably have enough to do a couple more trays of that one once this batch is done. So we're gonna go ahead and start it now. None of it is pre-frozen, so I don't technically need to wait the 30 minutes for it to get cool and then add them and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hit continue and we're gonna go from here. So we'll check it back tomorrow and see how we do. All right, this has been a long batch. I knew it would take a while being the burrito filling, but it took a long time. So it's nighttime. I just got back from a little date night with my husband. I'm gonna open it up and show you what we ended up with. So as you can see, 48 hours and 30 minutes. Now, this was actually sitting on calculating for a long time, but I noticed this little icon up here was orange. And it was, a couple hours before we went to dinner, it said calculating, and so then we got back and it still said it. So I tapped that and it immediately went to this screen. So it must have just gotten stuck on the other one. So it's good. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see how they turned out. So we got, there's our chicken burrito filling. Woo! And let's look at the, oh my goodness, this enchilada stew. Perfect, perfect, perfect. These are gonna be some nice, quick, easy meals. I can't wait, can't wait. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and be sure to head over to our Facebook group, Freeze Drying Adventures with What 88, to see more posts and information.